just took me about 5 minutes to put together the frame here of the King Kooker. There are, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 16 bolts, and you make quick work of them with a 10mm socket. Don't even need a wrench. They're self-tightening on the other side. And you also put these little feet on. Now we're going to put the burner in. To place the burner in, we're going to need to attach this bracket down here using these nuts and bolts. Okay, once we have this in, we're going to remove this bottom bolt off of here and then set it through there and then reattach the bolt. Alright, let's tighten that up. Now we will take the hose and thread it in here. I'm going to hand tighten and then finish tightening with a wrench. Just so you know which tool to use, this is a 14mm wrench. We have it hooked up to the gas tank now. I'm going to turn on the gas. Turn the burner on. I can hear it hissing. It's lit. You just can't really see the flame. Interesting that you can't see the flame, but definitely throwing some heat. Now, to attach the handle to the basket, we're just going to use these little bolts with a screwdriver and thread them through the holes. There are 4 of them, and then we'll have a basket. Okay, so easy to put together, pretty sturdy, no wiggle, no wobble. So I'll mention, this is fairly sturdy. This is a heavy gauge metal here. As here, I don't have any measurements or anything for you, but sturdy. It's wobbling mostly because it's in the grass. There's some play in the metal for sure, but definitely pretty good gauge, pretty sturdy. Okay, now we have the oil pan here. We'll see, it looks like it fits comfortably in the spot there. I was a little nervous that it was going to be larger than the rails, but it's actually fits in there very nicely. And now the fryer basket's in. We're going to fill it up. There's no fill line, so I'm going to go about halfway up the basket, I would say. Forgot to mention, it does come with a thermometer. We've been going for about 5 minutes now, and we're approaching 300 degrees. We are hoping to get to 350 before we drop our chicken wings. Okay, we're a little north of 350. We've got about 15 jumbo chicken wings. That's about 3 pounds. Let's drop them down. Okay, so we have both baskets going, about 5 pounds in total in the 2 baskets, and you can see the temperature is holding very nicely. We're at high flame. We'll check in on them. We're about 3/4 of the way done. I think we've been down about 7 minutes on this basket, about 5 on this one. We are seeing the wings floating to the surface, which means they are done. About 12 minutes of cook time. Now these are extra jumbo wings, so smaller wings will be a little faster, but they're looking good. There we have it. Made very quick work of the fries. Nice golden brown, beautiful.